Hey guys, just finished work and I thought I would do a quick brew. Didn't want to drag out all the other equipment, so we're just using the old trusty hot water urn here and doing a brew in a bag. And also I had some US Cascade in the freezer, so I thought we'd use that up. So yeah, we're just doing a 60-minute mash at 66 degrees Celsius, or just a tad over. So yeah, Cascade, US Cascade XPA, and we'll be using the old trusty US-05. So a very simple recipe, and the malt base is one I've used quite a few times for XPAs, and that is a split of Gladfield's Light Lager, 76%, and Gladfield's Wheat, 24%. So yeah, nice and simple, but I really enjoyed that malt bill, so I thought we'd use that with the Cascade. So yeah, we'll let this finish mashing, and then I'll just do a few clips, and then we will come back at the end and check the hydro sample and do a bit of a wrap up. Okay, so the boil's finished, and we're going to add in half of the US Cascade, 50 grams, and then we'll do a whirlpool hop stand for a total of 20 minutes. Okay, so brew day is done and dusted. I've got the fermenter sitting in the fermentation fridge, and I've pitched the US-05 yeast, so we'll let that do its thing. And here is the hydro sample. So a nice light straw colour from that light lager and wheat malt. Quite hazy, even though I used a Whirfloc, but there was quite a large percentage of wheat in there, sort of 26% I think it was, or 25, 26. Very happy with the appearance. The gravity came out at 1047, so if it gets down to 1010, I should get in the sort of the high 4s as far as ABV. And we'll just have a quick sip and check the bitterness, see if it's in the ballpark I was aiming for, so sort of in that 25 to 30 IBU range. It's a little bit of guesstimate because I got all my bitterness from the whirlpool prior to doing the hop stand, so but I think we're around that figure. It's definitely not too bitter, which is obviously what you don't want in an XPA or a pale ale, etc. So yeah, so that's the brew day done. I'll put a link to the recipe, not a link, but I'll put the recipe details below. Very simple. Highly recommend the malt base for an XPA. If you want to use other hops, feel free. I mean, I've just been swapping in different hops each time, so whatever hops you really like, you could just throw that in instead of the Cascade. And I think you'll be pretty happy with the results. Definitely make for a good summer beer for you guys in the Northern Hemisphere. Hope you're surviving the heat okay. Okay guys, well I'll stop there, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks, and I'll do a tasting video. Thanks for watching. Over and out. Cheers.